Okay, Sunday recap. I didn't do a recap last week because when was my last video? 1st of August, I think. So we are let me look at the dates, hang on. Yeah, 1st of August was a Friday and I jumped on that trade and did a really good trade. So from the 4th of August, I had a good week. So the 4th of August, I put 2 trades on and I made £103.83. The first trade was 69.35 and the second trade was 34.48. So 103.83. Then the 5th of August, the first trade I did was minus, so I was minus 72.53. And then I did a trade of 20.40, 29.76 and 104.57. So on the 5th of August, I did £154.63. And then the 6th of August, I did a trade of 58.28. Then I did a trade of £1.44 because I jumped in and I realised it was going the wrong way. So I closed that, £1.44, and then £51.08, and then I did another trade which was a minus because it switched and went the other way. So that was minus 68.54. Then I jumped on another trade and did 111.59. So the total for the 6th of August was 153.85. Then the 7th of August, I did 94.67. That were 2 trades, £68.49 and £26.18. My bills are due next week, so I jumped in. So for that week, the total was 7th of August, 94.67, and then yesterday I actually jumped on Bitcoin because you can't trade gold during the week. No, you can't trade gold on a weekend, it's closed. So I jumped over to Bitcoin, and yesterday I did a trade of 49.75 and then another trade of £100.88. So the total for this week is 657.61, which is really good for a week. My bills are all due next week, so I didn't draw any money out last week. So I totaled up from the 29th to the 1st, which was £608.80. And then this week, so I've withdrawn from the last 2 weeks, £1,108.78. That's what I made over the last 2 weeks. So that's really good. So this week's total was 657.61. And originally when I started trading, I traded the 4 hour. I've now got into a system of trading the 15-minute time frame, which works really well. I can jump on a few more trades and take a bit more profit. Still going steady, still just compounding my money. I'm not going for big, massive trades, following them up with my stop loss. Sometimes they hit me take profit, sometimes they hit the stop loss as I'm following them up. But yeah, doing really good. So this week was a good week. I'm not jumping on any Bitcoin trades today. So see what comes next week on gold. So yeah, doing good.